Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina, and Henry County in Martinsville in south-central Virginia, until noon. At 11:25 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar and law enforcement officials were tracking a tornado on the ground near Middle Springs Road and Ellisburg Road heading toward Highway 220. The tornado was moving north at 30 miles an hour, and locations impacted include Maiden, Stoneville, Price, Martinsville Airport, Horse Pasture. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. This warning replaces the warning that was in effect until 11:30 for western Rockingham and eastern Stokes County. Please relay severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Friday afternoon for north-central North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina and Henry County in Martinsville in south-central Virginia until noon.